Welcome to the February workshop series, Guided Meditation. This month, our focus in the meditation will be on compassion. So go ahead and take a comfortable position, maybe lying down with some support beneath the knees and the head to allow you to relax. Of course, if you prefer to have a seat, that's always an option. Whatever feels more comfortable to you right now. So go ahead and take a couple of moments to get settled. If it's bright in the room you're in, you might add a cover to the eyes. If you're lying down, it might be nice to place one hand on the heart and one hand on the belly. Again, whatever's comfortable. So let's take a moment to check in with yourself as we begin our time together. I'd like you to turn your attention to the sensation in your heart. Not only the sensations of your anatomical heart, but your emotional heart. What do you feel in the space of your heart? Is there tension there? Is there sadness, excitement, relief? Can you feel a heartbeat? As you take several moments to breathe deeply, begin to notice what's there in the chest. Not to think about it too much, but just to feel it from the inside out. Breathing and being present to your heart. Staying here, listening to your inhale, your exhale. Keeping your eyes closed and your body relaxed. Begin to visualize a person close to you, someone who loves you very much. Could be someone from the past or the present, someone still in life or someone who's passed. Maybe a spiritual teacher or a guide. Whoever it is, imagine them standing on your right side, sending you love. That person is sending you wishes for your safety, for your well-being and happiness. Feel those warm wishes. Feel their love. Feel the love coming from that person directly to you. Now bring to mind another person, someone who cherishes you deeply. Imagine that person standing on your left side, sending you wishes for your wellness, for your health and happiness. Feel the kindness and warmth coming to you from that person. Now imagine that you are surrounded on all sides by all the people who love you and have loved you. Picture all of your friends, all of your family and loved ones surrounding you. Can you feel them? They are standing, sending you wishes for your happiness, well-being, and health. Bask in the warm wishes and feel the love coming from all sides. you are filled and overflowing with warmth and love. Now bring your awareness back to the person standing to your right. Begin to send that love that you feel back to that person. You and this person are similar. Just like you, this person wishes to be happy. Send all your love and warm wishes to that person. Repeat the following silently. May you be well. May you accept yourself as you are. May you be kind to yourself. May you feel safe and at ease. Now focus your awareness on the person standing on your left side. Begin to direct the love within you to that person. Send all your love and warmth to that person. That person and you are alike. Just like you, that person wishes to have a good life. So again, repeat the following phrases silently. May you be well. May you accept yourself as you are. May you be kind to yourself. May you feel safe and at ease. Now think of an acquaintance, someone you don't know very well, and toward whom you don't have any particular feeling. You and this person are alike in your wish to have a good life. Send all of these wishes for well-being to that person. Repeating the following again silently. May you be well. May you accept yourself as you are. May you be kind to yourself. May you feel safe and at ease. Now bring to mind another acquaintance toward whom you feel neutral. It could be a neighbor or a colleague, someone you see around but you don't know them very well. Like you, this person wishes to experience joy and well-being in their life. Send all of your good wishes to that person, repeating the following phrases silently once again. May you be well. May you accept yourself as you are. May you be kind to yourself. May you feel safe and at ease. Now expand your awareness and picture the whole globe in front of you as a little ball. Begin to muster all the warm wishes and once again send them out to all the living beings on the globe who, just like you, want to be happy. And once again, sending those good wishes to everyone. Repeat the following phrases silently. May we all be well. May we all accept ourselves as we are. May we all be kind to ourselves. May we all feel safe and at ease. And taking a deep breath in and a full breath out. Let each exhale, let it go. And each inhale, invite in this possibility to feel belonging to something larger than our self-doubting thoughts, our negative feelings. Can you feel right now, in this moment, compassion for yourself? To let yourself be well, to accept yourself as you are, to be kind to yourself, and to let yourself feel safe and at ease. The next time you notice that inner self-doubt, that inner critic, try to practice this remembering. Practice letting compassion in with an open heart. Taking a moment to sit with that possibility and just follow your breath. In this moment, recognize that you just did something skillful and something kind. Notice your body being held by your mat, by your foundation. Feel that support providing you energy. Energy to begin movement, tiny back in the fingers, toes, slowly allowing the physical body to awaken, bringing your attention back to the room around you, and taking your time to roll into a little ball and onto your side, to press slowly up to a nice seat. Giving yourself a moment to adjust, taking your time to slowly open your eyes, to feel the space around you, to feel the love within you. Thank you for playing with Handcraft Yoga. And thank you for taking the time to enjoy a guided meditation.